Hello guys, sorry about the audio. My good microphone is not working, but I think we can manage with this. This video is supposed to be an aid in solving one of your problems from the Blackboard homework, in particular the Housewives problem. So here is all the information of the problem: 35 with TV, 20 with garbage disposer, which we're just going to represent it with a G, 15 with radio with an R, and so on. The rest of the information is here, and we're asked, well, we know that 8 have all the 3 appliances, and we're asked how many do not have any of those. So what we're going to do is we are going to use a Venn diagram. Here we have our little universe, our sample space. The blue square represents the housewives with TV, the green with the garbage disposers, and the yellow with radio. So one way to solve this is to begin with the triple intersection. All the ladies with TV, G, and R. Those ladies have to be in the intersection of the 3 squares. And this square over here represents the intersection of the blue, the yellow, and the green squares. So we can just write the 8 here. And this 8 will represent the 8 housewives with all the 3 appliances. Now we can move on with the next piece of information. Now we have 12 with G and R. This 12 must be in the intersection of G and R, which is this rectangle that I am highlighting. But we cannot just write 12 here. Why? Because if we do, then we are saying that we have 8 plus 12, we have 20 housewives in this intersection. But we know that's not true because we only have 12. So what we need to do is just a little subtraction. If we know that we have 12 in the intersection of the yellow and the green, well, 12 minus 8 is 4, so we must have 4 here. The same thing with TV and R. TV and R is the intersection of the blue and the yellow squares. All this. But again, we already have 8 housewives accounted for. So that means that these 2 that we're missing to complete the 10, this 10 must be over here. So 8 plus 2 equals 10, and 8 plus 4 equals 12. Moving on, 15 with TB and G. TB and G is the intersection of the blue and the yellow and the green. The blue and the green. It's this square over here. And again, we already have 8 accounted for, so that means that we must have 7 just in this square. Moving on, 15 with radio. So now all the pieces in the yellow square must add up to 15, but we already have 8 plus 2, 10, plus 4, 14, so that means that here we just have 1. This 1 represents the housewives in this little piece of rectangular shape. Moving on, 20 with G, but here we already have 19, so we must have 1 over here, and we have 35 with TB, but here we already have 17. 8 plus 2 plus 7 is 17, so we need 35. That means that we need 18 over here. So now if we add all of these numbers here, let me just load my calculator, we will have 18 plus, where's the plus sign, plus 7 plus 2 plus 8 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1. We're going to have 41 ladies will have at least one home appliance. So that leaves us with 9 ladies that are not going to be in any of these squares. So these 9 ladies over here is the answer. These 9 ladies do not have any of the appliances. So that's how you solve this problem. I hope it's clear now. If you still have questions, you can send me an email or we can talk about it in class. See you guys.